Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, it is a pleasure to join you virtually today. In a sector like this, it's important to have events that bring stakeholders together. Italy is home to the third largest medtech market in Europe, with over 4,600 companies, 130,000 employees, and a market of more than 19 billion euros. It is hugely important, not just for the Italian economy, but for the European health industrial base. Now, we are at a decisive moment for the future of this sector. As you know, the Commission has just adopted a proposal for a reform of the medical devices and in vitro diagnostic regulations. This follows on speed-up evaluation process because the stakes are simply too high to delay. Europe's rules must continue to put patient safety first. This is non-negotiable. But we also need to make sure they don't have unintended effects, like making devices less available or putting disproportionate burden on manufacturers, especially SMEs, and hampering their ability to compete and innovate. These concerns have been made clear to us from many different sides: industry, notified bodies, national authorities, healthcare professionals, and patient organizations. So my services have looked hard at where we can streamline procedures, reduce administrative costs, and make the system more predictable. With the proposal now adopted, I trust you can see the direction of travel. We're focusing on simplifying procedures, making reporting obligations more proportionate, reducing burden, making conformity assessment more harmonized, predictable, and digital, better support for SMEs, and better support for innovation. These things are essential if we want Europe to keep its position as a global leader in medtech, and if we want innovative products to reach patients quickly and safely. The proposed reform also addresses long-standing challenges, like lengthy, unpredictable certification processes and inconsistent interpretations of requirements. This undermines confidence in the system and risks pushing innovation away from Europe. We want better coordination and efficiency, and for the rules to be applied in a uniform and transparent manner across our single market. This will make Europe better able to deliver world-class healthcare, ensure timely patient access, and provide a fertile environment for innovation and excellence. Here, the Italian medtech sector plays a key role. Your companies, both large and small, have shown resilience, creativity, and a commitment to quality. You span the spectrum of medical technologies, from diagnostics to imaging, from surgical devices to digital health solutions. Your work connects directly to Europe's broader ambitions. The Commission is committed to working with you to make sure the rules support these ambitions and reflect the realities on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, these are challenging times for Europe and for healthcare. We must keep pushing to strengthen our health union, to lead the way in medical innovation, and to keep patient safety front and center. This reform is a big step in that direction. I want to thank Confindustria and Confindustria Dispositivi Medici for your leadership, your engagement throughout this process, and for organizing this important initiative. I look forward to continuing our work together as we enter the new phase. Thank you very much for your attention.